Do you have challenges making money, making ends meet? Or maybe raising your kids, waking up in the morning, getting yourself to do anything, getting yourself motivated, challenges in your spiritual growth, in your marriage, finding your other half? Is there any part in your life that there isn't challenges? And I'm sure you asked yourself why everything has to come with a challenge. Why everything has to come with a struggle? Why can't things just be simple? We need to look at this point in a much more deeper way. First, we have to ask ourselves, is there anything that I'm doing wrong? Or maybe that's the divine will. But why does everything have to come with a challenge? A more important question is what can I do to change it? Shalom, my name is Alon Anava. I want to invite you to a fascinating lecture on Tuesday, February 10, in Aventure, Miami, Florida, where I'm going to be speaking and discussing from the Torah perspective, based on Kabbalah, more clearer angles about the concept of challenges. Why do we have challenges? Do we need them? Are they good for us? Is it something that I'm doing? Is it something that I can change? All this and so much more. I guarantee to you that after listening to this lecture, challenges will get easier. You might even drop a few, but life will become much more challenging and much more successful and much more satisfying. And you will look at challenges in a completely different way, because you can look at it as a challenge and you can look at it as a step to growth.